Hello future accountants, I'm Zachary Vivar, currently taking a Bachelor of Science in Accountancy at Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management. So Bicol University is one of the top performing schools in the CPA licensure exams, as it encourages scholarship, leadership, service, and character within me. So the road to success is and will never be easy. BS Accountancy, offered in Bicol University College of Business, Economics, and Management, is a 4-year program to those who aspire to pursue a professional career as an accountant. So the program helps us develop our accounting skills, leadership, collaboration, critical thinking, and problem-solving skills, information and communication technology skills, and reporting skills that will surely help us in the future.
So honestly speaking, accountancy was never been my first choice. My mom was the one influencing me to take this program. However, as time passed, I learned to like the things that I do. So there are 3 reasons why I recommend BS Accountancy as your future career path. So one reason is practicality. This course does not require a lot of tools to be purchased or used. We just need a calculator and books for reference. So the second reason is that it is an in-demand profession. So just graduating as a BSA student already opens up a lot of opportunities in different kinds of industries, most especially in the business world. So how much more if we are already CPAs? So we all know that only a few students in the BSA program survives until the very end. So therefore, we can assume that there is a high chance that the offered salary will also be higher. So these are the reasons why I chose this course, and maybe it will be different for all of us, but as long as you love what you do, then it is already enough. Indeed, being an accountancy student is not easy, and it requires a significant amount of work and dedication. The coursework is exhaustive and demands attention to detail, critical thinking skills, and a strong work ethic. So I had to put in a lot of time to study and prepare as a student studying accounting, so frequently I had to forgo free time to keep up with the workload. So even when I felt exhausted, overwhelmed, frustrated, I had to remain disciplined and focused. Striking a balance between work and rest can be difficult because of the pressure to perform well. This course has provided me with a solid foundation in the principles of accounting and has equipped me with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in the field. So being an accountancy student is not easy. It is a worthwhile investment in one's future. It can be challenging, yet it is rewarding. The hard work and dedication required will pay off in the long run, as the skills and knowledge gained will be valuable throughout one's career. My main objective as an accounting student is to gain a thorough understanding of financial accounting principles, tax laws, auditing procedures, and other relevant subjects. In addition, I'll probably work hard to get good grades in my classes, get involved in groups or other opportunities for experiential learning, and hone my analytical and problem-solving abilities. So my goal as an aspiring CPA is to earn my license and work in an accounting position that is suitable for me. Also, I would like to concentrate on a certain area of accounting, such as tax accounting or even audit accounting. I wish to work for a public accounting firm, a government agency, a non-profit, or even in the private sector. Often than not, we as accounting students are stereotyped as someone serious or only know how to double rule and calculate numbers. But honestly, we are more than what people tend to see. We are also living as normal college students. Aside from analyzing transactions and preparing financial statements, we also engage in many fun activities at Bicol University. Recently, many activities happened across the campus. Some were organized by the Junior Philippine Institute of Accountants of Bicol University chapters, such as the Accountancy with the team Venka's course, which helped us refresh our minds and build camaraderie through socializing with our fellow accounting students. So also the Ascars and Orgullo 2022, where we got inspired by the road to success stories from our alumni of Bicol University Sipali passers, who have successfully become licensed CPAs. So from there, it only indicates that we, BSA students, also know how to live our college life to the fullest while harnessing ourselves as certified public accountants in transit.